Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Speedway. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and free indicator, guys. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also join our Telegram group for free indicator. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make use of this particular strategy to catch up your spike. And this strategy only works on crash 300 and boom 300. So guys, I'm going to show you how it works. So firstly, we can see that we have our strong zone here, which is our zone that we use to detect where to enter our trade for spike entry. So we can see what happened here, that we have this strong zone at this particular side, and it will always fall at this particular range. You can see that the starting point is going to be around here, and the next thing you see now is that we are having the massive spike. So this indicator works on catching up the spike. So what we are going to be looking at anytime we want to enter this particular trade is our red line. Anytime we have our red line that is crossing over the strong zone, that is when to enter this particular trade. You can see what happened here. We have a confirmation here also, which give us an accurate level here, and also we also have the second one at this level. So we can see what happened. We have a spike catch to catch. So the same process happen time to time in trade. So we can also check for more. Let's check for more accuracy. We can see another entry is here. We have another confirmation entry around there, and we can see what happened here. And what we see now is what is catching spike. So what you are going to be risking most of the time is always $1. You can just risk for $1 before the spike happen, and let's see how it goes. Just make sure that the red line, it touched the strong zone. It touched the strong zone, like what happened here. Also, we have our strong zone here that the red line crossed, and if we check it very well now from this level, now we see that our confirmation is going to be around this level, and this is what we are going to be catching on our boom, on our crash 300. So let's check out how it also works on our boom 300. We can see, so since we know that the crash 300 is an opposite to boom 300, we can see that the same process will also work here. So anytime we have our red line, which is given on our histogram now, that cross over the 50 level, that is when we are going to be enter our trade. So let's look for some signal currently now. We can see we have two confirmation at this level. There is one here, and this is the first one that first appear, and this one has appeared at this particular range. You can see what happened. It catch up the spike, and we have the second one that also happened around somewhere around there. We can see that it also was take the spike up. So that is the same thing that you are going to be looking up. We also have another confirmation here. You can see what happened here. We have our 50 level, and our red line it touched that 50 level. So that is to tell us that this is our right time to enter this particular trade. So this particular trade is going to be around somewhere here, and we can see what happened. We enter somewhere here, and we can see what the spike did to our trade. So that is how we are going to be making our massive profit daily. And we also have another one here, another confirmation at this zone, and if we check it very well, it's going to be somewhere around there. And what do you see next? We have our spike catching time to time. We have another one here at this particular side. You can see that. So we have it around this area. Just immediately it touched that particular zone. Immediately it touched that particular 50 zone, which is the 50 level. Then we can easily catch up with our spike. So that is how this particular strategy works. So you can easily make use of this strategy time to time. You can see we start our trade at this particular side, and what we can see next is boom. So to make use of this indicator, let me show us the settings of this indicator. We have our average directional moving index, which is the period of 14. We have the level of 50, and we have our style to be in red color. You can choose any style of your choice. You can choose any style of your choice. And we also have our markings, our level, which we also indicate here as our strong zone, so that is our strong zone. Then you press save. Once you press save, then you will have the same setup the way I have it here. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this our channel, and also don't forget to join our Telegram group for free indicator and free strategy. Thanks guys.